Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into something that's all about restoring and maintaining that beautiful, hydrated glow, especially if you're dealing with dry skin. We're talking about the Mario Badescu Combo Dry Regimen 5-Piece Kit. If you're wondering whether this skincare set can actually nourish and balance your skin, keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on our honest, in-depth beauty reviews. So, what exactly is in this 5-piece set? It includes a Seaweed Cleansing Soap, Seaweed Cleansing Lotion, Hydro Moisturizer, Enzyme Revitalizing Mask, and the Hyaluronic Eye Cream. The collection is designed to help your skin feel deeply hydrated, balanced, and rejuvenated, a full regimen that targets dry skin. Now let's break down what makes this set stand out. The Seaweed Cleansing Soap and Lotion are both lightweight, designed to cleanse without stripping the skin. They leave your skin feeling refreshed but not tight, which is crucial for anyone struggling with dryness. The Hydro Moisturizer is packed with moisture-boosting ingredients, offering that deep hydration that dry skin craves. Then there's the Enzyme Revitalizing Mask, which is all about giving your skin a little extra TLC. And finally, the Hyaluronic Eye Cream, which promises to tackle puffiness and dryness around the delicate eye area. Definitely a win if you're looking to refresh tired eyes. I've been using this regimen consistently for a few weeks now, and I have to say, it's been pretty smooth sailing. The products work well together and feel like they're really addressing my skin's needs: hydration, balance, and gentle exfoliation. The Seaweed Cleansing Soap has a gentle lather that's soothing but effective. I love how it cleanses without leaving any residue behind, and the Seaweed Cleansing Lotion adds that refreshing layer of hydration. The Hydro Moisturizer feels rich but not greasy, which I really appreciate, especially since I have dry skin that tends to soak up moisture quickly. The Enzyme Revitalizing Mask is another standout. I've used it both at night and during the day, and it's honestly a game changer for dry skin. It helps remove dead skin cells and gives your skin a smoother, more even texture. As for the Hyaluronic Eye Cream, I've definitely noticed an improvement in the puffiness around my eyes. It feels super cooling and my eyes look brighter and more awake. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, these products are gentle, hydrating, and they work well together in a routine. I've definitely seen a noticeable improvement in how moisturized and balanced my skin feels. The packaging is sleek and easy to use, and it's a great option if you're looking for a complete skincare routine that addresses dryness. On the flip side, the kit is a bit on the pricier side, especially if you're not familiar with Mario Badescu products, but the quality of the formulations justifies the cost, in my opinion. If you're wondering if this is a good investment for your skin type, I'd say it's definitely suited for those with dry skin or anyone looking to improve skin hydration. It's a well-rounded set, and while you might be able to find individual products that work similarly, this bundle offers great value for the price. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Customer support for Mario Badescu is known to be helpful and responsive, which is always a plus when purchasing skincare products. It's comforting to know that if you have any concerns, you can count on their customer service to provide a timely response. Looking at alternatives, there are other skincare kits on the market that cater to dry skin, but Mario Badescu's offerings remain competitive due to their formulation quality and how well these products work together. If you're willing to splurge a little, this is a solid choice. But if you're working with a tighter budget, there are other options like CeraVe's Hydrating Skincare Kit that provides similar hydration benefits. In terms of build quality, the packaging is clean and simple. It's travel-friendly too, which makes it easy to take your regimen with you wherever you go. As for longevity, I've been using the products for a few weeks now and haven't seen any degradation in quality. The items seem well-made and durable, and I expect the products to last a good amount of time. To wrap things up, I'm really impressed with the Mario Badescu Combo Dry Regimen 5-Piece Kit. It lives up to its promises of nourishing, balancing, and hydrating dry skin. It's perfect for anyone looking to replenish moisture, especially if you're experiencing dryness or dullness. The set offers great value, and I'd recommend it to anyone looking to invest in quality skincare for dry skin. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the description or comments for the link to purchase the set. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.